it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got a big one, folks. This is from JML makes this, Jin Mai Long out of China. This is Fan Food Tour in China. Shanxi Daoxiao Noodles. And it's a big freaking pack. It came out of a multi-pack, which was like that big. I'm not kidding. It was enormous. So we're gonna do her up nicely. And to be honest, this looks more like a Taiwanese dry noodle. And yeah. So how's it going? It is what? It's Wednesday already. That's nutty. Here's our noodle block. I like how they wrap these, but I don't like the process of unwrapping them because a lot of the time there's little bits that end up on the floor. I don't prefer that. It said 3 minutes on this one, so 3 minutes. Oh yeah, you get to watch as it is something you enjoy. So you go ahead and enjoy that. We'll throw in our vegetable. There we go. And here comes our vegetable right now. 1, 2, are you ready? Here we go. And then we've got a powder and a liquid. I'll do the powder and save the liquid for the end. How about that? It says it's classic flavor too. And that's a mouthful. That's a really long descriptor for an instant noodle product. Whoa! And it takes 600 mils of water. Talk about a lot of liquid, folks. But yeah, it's Wednesday. Our weather just all of a sudden got nice and cold. It's been in like the mid to upper 60s for the last few days. And I went out today in my t-shirt and shorts, and now I'm like freezing. So I didn't go out for very long. I know, I suck. But and then starting tonight, and for as long as the weather thing shows, it's going to be rain. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spent some time this morning trying to make doctor appointments for my son. He got a referral. Apparently it takes them 4 weeks at the place that we're hoping he'll go to go over the referral. Like, holy mother. I don't know. That's a long freaking time. And that's just to make an appointment. So once you get all that dealt with, then you get to make the appointment, and then you get to wait a lot more. Yep, Children's Hospital, folks. He'll be an adult by the time he gets in. I'm sure many people have said that. But I use my whole theory of, well, it's not really mine, but you attract more flies with honey than vinegar. So no matter what they say, I'm like super nice on the phone. And generally that and a couple other social engineering practices that I employ. We're sorry. Yeah, that's we just can't do that. We just can't do that. Please? I'm telling you. Just say please. I tell the kids that all the time. You get a lot when you use a please. Okay, what do we have here? This looks pretty... It looks pretty good. It looks like a dry noodle soup kind of thing. But they're calling it Shanxi. I'm sure they know better than me. This is Shanxi. Yeah, you know me. I don't know. This noodle looks nice though. Okay. This called for 600 mils of broth. I was kind of worried that it might be a little much. But the noodle had a lot of flavor sticking to it. Whew. Very hot still. It's nice. It's like a Szechuan pepper and sweet, savory, tasty. Very hot. Wow. It burnt my tongue. That was good. Kind of like a, I'm guessing, kind of a pretend beef flavor. Let's have some pretend beef. I'm gonna use this bowl. I don't often use this bowl, but this seems like a realistic and good time to use it. Okay, here we go. Here we are. Really want to get some of that vegetable action in there. Come on, I'm coaxing you. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to use some Chinese sausage with this. Because that is the way, or at least the current way. Because I don't know, I don't like to prepare beef. I'm not a beef head. I'll eat beef if it is prepared correctly, but I just don't like the beefation. There we go. That works quite well. I'm gonna slap in an egg. I'm hoping they are not overly... Oh, that doesn't look bad at all. Okay. I made these eggs a couple days ago, so I was kind of worried they might get a little too dark. They're a little dark. We can hang out right there. All right, and then we're gonna go with some onion. I don't know that anything I'm doing today really needs mung bean sprouts, and I know these mung bean sprouts are looking pretty sad, so I'll let them chill out. And I'm just gonna use some of this, if I can find it, here, right there, aren't you? Ooh, I should take that down and use some of that too. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm telling you, it's not the right one. Where are you? There you are. Got a little bit of Szechuan, ground Szechuan peppercorn. Get And I think we're going to call it a day on this one. This looks pretty good. Whoa. There you go. Look at it go. Yummy. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is one that I have tried way back, but it's even got different packaging and everything now. So, yeah, this is Wei Wong. You might look at it, and it looks like it says V Wong, but it is Wei is how you pronounce it. Thanks to my buddy Kyle for pointing that out when I was in Taiwan. This is Wei Wong Kung Fu Artificial Beef Flavor Instant Noodle Bowl from Taiwan. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.